Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we take a closer look at everyday gadgets to see if they're really worth your money. In today's video, we're checking out a handy little item that might just save your fireplace experience. The replacement remote control for Signature by Ashley electric fireplace heater. Let's dive in. So here it is. Right out of the box, you get the remote control itself and a wall mounting bracket. A small but thoughtful addition if you're someone who always misplaces remotes. First impressions? It feels solid. The buttons are responsive and have a nice tactile feedback. Not mushy, not too stiff. It's lightweight, but doesn't feel cheap. This remote is made specifically for models like EF30-23B, EF16-23, EF30-30A, and W100-101. So if you have one of those fireplaces, this should work seamlessly. And here's the best part, no programming needed. That's right, just pop in two AAA batteries and you're good to go. Let's try it out. I've got an EF30-23B unit set up here. We insert the batteries, aim, and power on. Just like that, the fireplace responds instantly. Heat settings, flame brightness, all controlled without any hiccups. You don't need to pair it, sync it, or read through a 20-page manual. It just works. The included wall bracket is a nice touch. You can stick it by the fireplace, or even near your couch, whichever's convenient. It clicks in smoothly and holds the remote snugly. Great for keeping things organized, especially during colder months when you're using the fireplace daily. In terms of compatibility and ease of use, this remote checks all the boxes. If you've lost your original remote or just need a backup, this is a great replacement. Plus, with a 4.8-star rating from users, it's clear that it's doing the job for a lot of people. So, should you get it? If you own one of the compatible Signature by Ashley electric fireplaces and need a reliable, no-fuss remote control, this one is a solid pick. Easy setup, solid build, and convenient features, all for a pretty reasonable price. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more hands-on reviews. And let us know in the comments if you've tried this remote yourself or have any other fireplace accessories we should check out. See you in the next one. Stay warm.